Hello,
Rachel. Nice to meet you today. What's your name?
my name is Sahil and I'm from India. Where are
Hello,
you from?
Sahil. Have you had a good day today?
Yes. You know,
Good.
tomorrow
Yeah.
is Christmas.
Tomorrow is Christmas Day, so today is
Yes,
Christmas Eve. It's so exciting. Yeah.
yes. See, I miss many things. See, this is a Christmas tree that is made by paper.
Sahil, that is an awesome Christmas tree. I
And
love
see,
that Christmas tree.
and this is not main thing. See, this is the.
What
See,
are
this
they?
is a gift box.
Oh, little gift boxes. They are so adorable. Are you
I
going to
made it.
celebrate Christmas?
I'm also going to celebrate Christmas.
Awesome. Happy Christmas, Sahil.
Happy Christmas.
Thank you. Do you like my hat? I can make
Yes.
it green or red. Look, it's green. Which do you like best? Green or red? I like
Uh,
red.
If I have two choices of green and red, then I will select red. But my
Me
favorite
too.
color is yellow. I like yellow color.
Oh, that's a very sunshiny colour, isn't it? Yellow?
Yes.
Yeah, it makes me smile when I see the sunshine. So what would you like to do, Sahil, in your lesson today?
I like to do this lesson. I'd like to do this lesson
Your
plan.
dream job? Well, you don't have a job, do you?
No,
What you
I
could
don't have, but I want to be a scientist.
yeah, you can tell me about what you want to do. Okay. So
Grammar,
instead
the
of, hey,
grammar,
hang on
the
a minute.
preposition at, in,
It
for, and with to talk. Okay, let's get this started.
okay,
Get
that completely confused me. But you could change it and say instead of where do you work, where would you like to work?
okay.
Yeah.
Where do you work? I don't work anywhere.
No, you don't. But where would you like to work in the
I
future?
want to be a scientist in future.
Yeah. And what
I have
would you
many
do?
plans about that.
Yeah, what would you do?
I like when I be a scientist. I will grow up and study hard, and then will be become a scientist, and then I
Excellent.
invent things. You can see rocket. I will invent spacecraft, rocket, and this type of things.
Ah, that would be awesome. Can you imagine if you made a space rocket? Oh,
Yes,
so
I
what
can
do you
imagine.
think? What do you think would be the best thing about being a scientist?
Being a scientist is best thing from my side is we can invent things and we have
You can
things to
invent
invent.
things.
Yes,
Yeah. And you could get lots of money and be famous. Everyone
yes,
might know Sahil because he made something really cool that everyone uses. What do
yes.
you think the worst thing about being a scientist would be?
Mm,
Hmm.
I don't think. Everything is good. Nothing is
Maybe
worse.
maybe it's really hard work and you might just want to go to sleep, but no, you have to work.
No. From my side, I think it's not hard much. We want to just imagine and think how to make it. I like to see this tree. I imagine a tree and then I make it this tree by
Yeah.
imagination. I like
Oh, very
we can make
good.
many things, but we want to imagine about them. We want to make a spacecraft. Then we want to imagine the spacecraft photo in our brain.
Yeah, that would be amazing. I think you have a great imagination and you'll make a great spacecraft.
Yes,
Okay, these are prepositions. Do you know what prepositions are?
yes.
They're the little tiny words that everyone forgets to use. So
Okay.
we use at and for to show the name of a company. So you could say, I'm at school. Yeah.
Yes.
How can
And
we use for?
I like to work on NASA. I like to work at NASA.
Aha, I'd like to work for NASA. Can you say that?
I like to work for NASA.
Yeah. And you can also say for the name of a company like you just did, or a person like your boss. Maybe you help your mom a lot or your dad a lot. You could say, I like to work for my mom.
Yes. I like to work for my mom.
Yeah. And in, how can we use in?
In Let me think. I'm working in the market. Uh, I am
Marketing. You would be engineering, maybe?
Yes, I'm working in. I I
I
will like
work.
to working. I will.
Yes,
Oh
yes, you did it right. I would like to work in engineering.
yes,
Yeah,
I would
high
like to work
five.
in engineering. High
Good.
five.
And what country would you like to work in?
I like to work in India.
You'd like to work in India?
Yes,
Awesome.
where I'm living because
Yeah,
I
of
want to
course.
develop my country.
That is awesome. Yeah, I think you should do too. Okay, we can use the word with to show things or people that you deal with at work. So, what would
Okay.
you work with if you're an engineer?
I will work with technologies and science.
Yes, technology. Yeah, good. I am an educator, so I work with people, which is
Okay.
nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what I just asked you. Where would
Yes.
you like to work?
Everyone is great in his work.
You're creating what?
No, I'm saying everyone is great in his work. Like everyone do many type of tasks, but everyone do very well. Like my mother cooks, then my mother cooks very well, and I
Yeah,
read and learn. I read and learn. I learn very well. I like you.
good.
I like you teach peoples in other countries, many peoples. Then you do it very well.
Awesome. Yeah, the more you do something, the better you get, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so where did you say you wanted to work?
I wanted to work in NASA.
Worked for NASA in India.
No, ISRO. Sorry, ISRO.
Say it again. I want to work for NASA
I
in
I want
India.
to work in ISRO. Sorry, ISRO, not NASA.
Oh, you don't want to work for NASA.
I want to work
Silly
for
me.
ISRO. ISRO is Indian company, and I want to work for India.
In India. I want to work in India.
I
You
want to
say
work. Yes,
in
I want
India.
to work for ISRO.
For Islu in India.
Yes, I want to work for ISRO in India.
Yeah, good.
Hmm.
And which industry will you be working in?
I would be working in technology, like spacecraft. You can say.
Yes, you would. The technological industry. Technology
Yes.
industry. Which one? Technological. And who would you work with? Or what would you work with? You would be working with, what did you say before? Technology?
I want to work with technology, and I like with technologies to make spacecraft and many things. I imagine many things. I think when I become big, then I make a spacecraft and laser gun, laser light, many.
Yeah. So can you tell me, Sohail, what education would be required to
Hmm,
be a scientist?
yes, there's some education required. Like we need science. We can say also EVS or say science, and we also need calculation, means by math and English and science.
Yeah,
These subjects are
fantastic. And
most important. These three
yeah,
subjects.
they're most important, I think, too. What skills would you need to be a scientist?
The most important skill I need that to imagination, to a very good
Imagination
imagination.
and patience. I think
Yes,
if you get
patient
stressed out a
also.
lot, you just won't build anything, will you? Because obviously people make mistakes and you need to be patient to get it right. Yeah.
Yes.
How much experience would you need, do you think, before you could work for your company that you want to work for?
Uh, I want to work. I want to be a scientist. Then I need to work. Then I do. We need little bit experience. We need little bit experience about technologies. We need to know how it work and how we can make these things. If
Absolutely.
we need to know how to fix the any things with other things.
Yeah, you're good, I think. So, what are most kids' dream jobs in India? What do most of your friends want to be when they grow up?
They most many people, everyone has different choice of my
Of
friend.
course,
Like
yeah.
Saksam, there's one friend named Saksam. He want to be a pilot. He said he want to be a
Yeah, that's